My name's Marvin Townsend. I'm the owner of Generations Cakes. Um, I want to say a accident survivor. I'm also a disabled veteran as well. So I have a history of surgeries. This was probably the most successful by far of the past surgeries. That includes hip replacements as well. It was simple. I just went to pick up a bowl of batter and I wasn't moving it very far. And I just dropped it and I was stuck. He suggested a fusion. Again, I had to wear that neck brace that I hated for 10 days. It took about 2 months of good physical therapy and I was back. I mean, I was back in the kitchen or what have you. But I also have a condition from past experiences called idiopathic avascular necrosis. So that means once a joint is damaged, it tends to jump to other joints, and so you'll have problems with those. They'll tend to die or what have you. Then about a year later, I started getting that same tingling. Wasn't down the left arm, was always in the right. He was always like, if it's the left arm, we got a problem. So it was always in the right, down the back. And he took a look at it and he says, I think, he said, I don't really want to do another fusion. He said, we could, he said, but I think I have something that you could use. He said, I know you like to play golf, I know you love to fish, and I know you love to bake. So I think I have something that's going to give you full range of motion. And he said, it'll take a little time to heal because you pretty much just had a fusion a year ago. He said, but I think you'll be happy with the results. Surgery has to be a success because we're here talking. So yeah, that's a little bit of my story there.